Hello everyone, and welcome to the Vlinkaz channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix no internet on the Riot client. So if you're having any kind of network issues when connecting to Riot Games, I'm going to show you how to resolve these issues. So let's get started. First, open up the Start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on it. In the top right-hand side, click on the drop-down arrow and select Large Icons. You can then press Network and Sharing Center. Next, click on your connection on the right-hand side. Click on Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and click Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected, then select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type in the following numbers, 1.1.11 and 1.00.1, and press OK. Close out of this window, open the Start menu, search for Command, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In this window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Once done, restart your computer. After restarting, this should solve the network issue. If it's still not working, open the Start menu and click Settings. Select Network and Internet, then click View Network Settings. Click on Network Reset, press the Reset Now button, and confirm by pressing Yes. Once complete, restart your computer again, and this should resolve the Riot network issue. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this guide helpful. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.